Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Carolina Reaper hot sauce. First, prioritize safety above all else. These peppers are extremely potent. Always wear gloves and eye protection to prevent irritation. You will need about 10 to 12 fresh Carolina Reapers, 1 cup of distilled white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of salt, and any additional aromatics like garlic or onion. Ensure your workspace is well ventilated and clean before you begin the process. Now let's prepare the star ingredient. With your protective gear on, carefully wash all of your Carolina Reaper peppers under cool water, then remove their stems. Next, roughly chop the peppers into smaller, manageable pieces. This step makes blending much easier and helps release their intense heat and flavor. For an added layer of complexity, you might choose to roast your peppers lightly before blending, which can introduce a wonderful smoky note to your finished sauce. It's time to bring everything together. Transfer your chopped Carolina Reapers, 1 cup of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of salt, and any other aromatics like 2 cloves of garlic or a quarter of an onion, into a high-speed blender. Blend thoroughly until you achieve a smooth, uniform consistency. Then, pour the mixture into a saucepan and gently simmer it over low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. This cooking process helps meld the flavors and slightly thickens the sauce. Finally, let's bottle your fiery creation. Ensure your hot sauce bottles and caps are completely sterilized to prevent spoilage. You can boil them for 10 minutes. Once your sauce has cooled to room temperature, carefully pour it into the clean bottles, leaving about 1/2 inch of head space. Seal them tightly. Your homemade Carolina Reaper hot sauce is now ready to enjoy. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will maintain its incredible heat and flavor for several months.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.